Welcome to 13928 Blairstone Lane in Silver Spring's idyllic Strathmore at Bel Pre community. There's 300 feet to the RideOn bus stop and a just 6-minute ride from there to the Glenmont Metro. Or it's 1.5-mile drive from here to the ICC at Lay Hill Road. In terms of recreation, the Bel Pre community pool is just the other side of this block. The Bel Pre Neighborhood Park and Matthew Henson Trail, just 4 blocks down the road. Strathmore Local Park, a mile away. And it's 10 minutes to Wheaton Regional Park and Brookville Gardens. For more information or to schedule an in-person tour, visit 13928blairstone.com. Thank you.